Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the date and time in the Toggl Track application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And here just look for the date and time section. And as you can see, you can set many functions here. So the date format, you can enable to use 24-hour clock. You can set the duration format. You can set the first day of the week for your preference. And you can also enable to group similar time entries. And once you set everything, just click on the done button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.